We have finished the first 4 paragraphs of the text, Strong Roots. From there on, we are going to continue the text today. Let's start. The Shiva temple, which made Rameswaram so famous to pilgrims, was about a 10 minutes walk from our house. The Shiva temple. Rameswaram is famous for this very temple, the Shiva temple. This is the temple where the Hindu pilgrims visit every year in thousands and thousands. So the Shiva temple which made Rameswaram so famous to pilgrims. Pilgrims means, yes, the people who pay a visit to the very holy spot. So Rameswaram is such a pilgrimage to the Hindu pilgrims. Was about a 10 minutes walk from our house. So distance is very short. It's just a 10 minutes walk from Dr. Kalam's house. Our locality was predominantly Muslim. Dr. Kalam's locality was dominated by the Muslim community people. But there were quite a lot of Hindu families too. Yet, in spite of being the locality dominated by the Muslims, Hindu families were there too. And how were the relation between the two? Living amicably with their Muslim neighbors. So the Hindu living with the Muslim amicably. Amicably means in the most friendly way. There is no hostility, no animosity, no hatred that we find right now prevalent in India. It was not the case. The Hindu and the Muslims, they used to live in a most friendly way. Amicably means in a most friendly way with their Muslim neighbors. Neighbors means the people who live in a same community, Pratibeshi. There was a very old mosque in our locality. Where my father would take me for evening prayers. Dr. Kalam's father injected in Dr. Kalam a very fine habit. Every evening, father used to take the son to the mosque. Mosque means masjid. কিসের জন্য? For the evening prayer, সন্ধ্যাবেলা নাজানের জন্য, প্রার্থনার জন্য. I had not the faintest idea of the meaning of the Arabic prayer chanted. Dr. Kalam is telling that he had not the thinnest idea of the Arabic prayer. The prayer used to be chanted in the Arabic language and Dr. Kalam did not have the idea. But I was totally convinced that they reached God. But Dr. Kalam had the firm conviction, firm belief that those prayers, those dedicated, devoted prayers certainly had reached God. নিশ্চিতভাবে ওই প্রেয়ার যেটা এত ভক্তি সহকারে উচ্চারিত হতো এটা ঈশ্বরের কাছে পৌঁছাতো. When my father came out of the mosque after the prayer, যখন Dr. Kalam's father used to come out of the mosque থেকে বেরিয়ে আসতেন after prayer, people of different religions should be sitting outside. Different religious people used to sit outside the mosque এবং তারা কি করতো? Waiting for him. They used to wait for Dr. Kalam's father. It is not that the people who used to be waiting there are only the Muslim people. They were from Hindus, from Buddhists, from Christians, from Sikhs, from Jains, from different communities. But they used to wait for Dr. Kalam's father. Many of them offered bowls of water to my father. Many of them, তাদের মধ্যে অনেকেই offered দিতেন bowls of water. Bowls মানে বাটি, ছোট বাটি করে জল to Dr. Kalam's father, who dip his fingertips in them and say a prayer. যারা দিতেন এই জলটা ডক্টর কালামের বাবার কাছে, তিনি আঙুলটা চুবিয়ে দিয়ে একটা প্রার্থনা করতেন. So the water get sanctified. জলটা পবিত্র হয়ে যেত. This water was then carried home for invalids. এই জলটা পরবর্তীকালে for the invalid people, for the deformed people, for the mentally ill, physically ill people, তাদের জন্য নিয়ে যাওয়া হতো. I also remember people visiting our home to offer thanks after being cured. আমার মনে পড়ে the people after getting cured, after recovering from the disease, they used to come to Dr. Kalam's father to thank his father. তার বাবাকে ধন্যবাদ দিতে আসতেন. Father always smiled and asked them to thank Allah the merciful. বাবা হাসতেন, হেসে বলতেন আল্লাহ দ্য মার্সিফুলকে ধন্যবাদ দিতে. হি ডাজন্ট ডিজার্ভ দ্য থ্যাঙ্ক. দ্য থ্যাঙ্ক অ্যাকচুয়ালি ডিজার্ভ বাই আল্লাহ, গড, or whatever you might say. So here we find Dr. Kalam's father had little bit of mystic power. একটা রহস্যময় ক্ষমতা ছিল, একটা অদ্ভুত অধিভৌতিক ক্ষমতা ছিল, যেটা আমাদের ধারণার বাইরে, তাই না? এটা কোনো বুজরুকি না, কারণ ডক্টর কালাম বিং আ গ্রেট সায়েন্টিস্ট ইজ রাইটিং দ্য বুক অ্যাট দ্য ভেরি ফ্যাগ এন্ড অফ লাইফ। তিনি জীবনের শেষ দিকে বইটা লিখছেন, তার মানে কোনো বুজরুকি দিচ্ছেন না। এইসবের মধ্যে একটা অধিভৌতিক, একটা হাইলি স্পিরিচুয়াল, হাইলি supernatural ব্যাপার আমরা এর মধ্যে দেখতে পাচ্ছি। ডক্টর কালাম হ্যাড দ্যাট কাইন্ড অফ মিস্টিক পাওয়ার। দিস ইজ ডক্টর কালাম's father's mystic power described by Dr. Kalam here in this particular paragraph.